Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Welcome to our live today. Welcome back. We are the company and our China company is called Nantong Printing Machinery, and we have a branch in Malaysia which name is Number One Machine. And today's live we are going to show you many operations of our machines. So the machines that we are going to show you, we are going to explain to you, we are going to let you know is like this one. This one is the applicator assembly line for you to apply tape. Later we will show you about this machine operations. We'll also show you about our good spray system, cold good spray system, hot melt good spray system, our flatbed gluing machines, and of course also including our folder gluer machines. Can you see this one? This one is our folder gluer machines, and this folder gluer machines is for you to fold and glue your boxes, also fully manufactured by us. So please stay tuned in today's live because we are going to show you so many operations of all of our machines. Also, other than the folder gluer machines, we are also going to show you our die cut machines. You can see the green color machine is our die cut machines. And also we'll show you this one is our assembly line. So okay, this is a very normal assembly line, a production line machine. And also we are going to show you our paper cutter computer system and so many more machines. So all of our friends, they're joining our live today. Very welcome you, and please stay in our live. Please help us to share this live to your friends, to your family, to your boss, to your colleague, to your office, to everyone you know, so that they can know more about our machine, so they can know about all of the operations. So now I will firstly introduce you about our folder gluer machines. So the folder gluer machines is the long machine you see here, and it's for you to fold and glue your boxes. So say that if you're doing boxes, if you are producing boxes, then you can get this machine to help you to fold the box and glue the boxes. So you don't need manually, you don't need your worker to do it manually one by one anymore, because you can get the machine. So the one you see here, the machine, this one is a 800mm folder gluer machines. And then this folder gluer machines, is a straight line box. It's for straight line box. So it say that you have a normal box, straight line box. This is a 800mm straight line box folder gluer machines. And let's see the structure of it. So the structure of this folder gluer machines, here come our friends from Facebook. You can see this is our folder gluer machines, a new machines, 800mm for straight line box. And I will introduce you about the structure. So you can see this is the paper feeding parts. You can feed the paper here, it's auto feed. So it will go automatically, and then it will run through this here. And this is the gluing parts. So you can see you can place the glue inside here, and then the glue will glue the boxes in the area you want. And then after here you can see this one is our folding part. So it's for you to fold the boxes. It's for the machine to fold the boxes. And after it runs the folding part, then you can see out here is the output part. So it's for you to let the boxes be output accordingly until to the end of the machine. So this is the folder gluer machines that we are sending it to you from China. And of course actually we are having many machines. We are having many models of folder gluer machines. Welcome Musidin Ikromo from UZ joining us today. Welcome to our live here. The machine you see here is a folder gluer machines, and you can also say it's a box pasting machine. So our company is a company that manufacturing. We are a company that producing this machine ourselves. And the one you see here is a 800mm folder gluer machines. But if say that you need another sizes, maybe you say that you need maybe 600mm, 650mm, or you need maybe like 1000mm. Any sizes that you need, then you can also get our folder gluer machines to help you to do it, because we have many models for different kind of boxes. So no matter you are doing maybe cardboard boxes or corrugated boxes or any kind of boxes, maybe like a 4 or 6 corner boxes, or maybe it's a lock button boxes, our machines can do for you. And this is where the paper will output. So this is the folder gluer machines that fully manufacturing by us and direct sales to you from China. And also now I will introduce you about how to control this machine. how do you do everything? How do you control this machine? Okay, to control this machine is actually very simple. Welcome our friends from Facebook. The machine you see here is a 800 mm folder gluer machine. So okay, it's for you to fold and glue your boxes. And now I will show you how to control this machine. Okay, so okay, this one okay is the machine. You can control the motor, the controller here. So okay, you can see okay, when you want okay, you can just okay, this one is the power. Okay, you on the power, and then okay, yes, okay, you can see already off the power. And then the itching is for you to let the machine work a little bit. Okay, so when you press, okay, when you press it, it will run. Okay, but when you don't press it, it will not run. And now, okay, we have already on the main motor in the green color button, and we already on off. Okay, so you can see this is the okay motor on, motor off. Okay, yeah, but if you have the itching, if you already emergency stop,
need to 1 second.
And then okay, you can just use the itching to let it go okay a little bit. And if you want to go okay very fast, then you can just on the main motor. Okay, and then you can see this is how the main motor going. So you can see the machine is actually running, but we just don't put the products here. Okay, and also okay, if you want to stop, then you can just okay press the red color button to let the main motor stop. And then okay, we can also use the feeding. So okay, if you want feeding, you can just press the feeding. And then okay, this is how the feeding works. Okay, this is how the feeding bell's working. So if you want the feeding bell to work, then you can just press the feeding button. And if you want the feeding bell to stop, then you can off the feeding buttons to let the feeding bell stop. And also okay, now I will show you. So this is where you can put the glue. Okay, so when the boxes will go through here, and then okay, it will glue. Okay, and then let's see here. So this is another interface okay for you to control more settings. Okay, and it's a touch screen. Welcome Pulo Anam from BD joining us. Okay, so let's see this one. Okay, so this one is the touchscreen interface. Okay, you can choose either you want Chinese or English. This is the touchscreen controller for our folder gluer machines. Okay, now we choose English, and then okay, let's see. Okay, so everything you can setting by the touchscreen here. So you can see. Okay, so okay, you can also turn on the main motor by the touchscreen. When you off, then the motor knows work. When you on, the motor will work. So okay, if you don't want to control by controller, you can control by touchscreen also. And also you can also control the paper feeding. So everything you can also control by the touchscreen is very easy and simple. And then also okay, the speed you can adjust here. So when you want the speed up, then you can adjust everything. Okay, you want the speed be faster or lower, everything you can adjust by the buttons here. And also okay, you can see the total here. The total here below is 47, which means that it's a counter. If you count how many products you already done. And then you can also see okay, the interface here. Okay, the rear here is for you. This is what we call as the rear. Okay, the back here, the back conveyor section okay, is what we call as the rear. Then you can also okay, if you want it to move, then you can just press the rear. Okay, and then it will just goes okay, it will just move accordingly. And also okay, you can also control the rear speed. Okay, so remember the rear okay is this part. This is what we call the rear. Okay, you can also control its speed. You can control okay everything. You can choose auto okay to let it run automatically. And then also you can you see the kick here? The kick here, where is the kick here? The kick here is means that if you have the products okay, like you want 10, you have already 10 boxes running, and then you want it to kick a little bit to like a label to mark it already run 10, then you can use the kick function. For example, the kick number here we have already set 5, which means that after 5 products run, if you kick a paper out a little bit, so you will know it's 5. Okay, you can count it very easily. And also everything you can just very simple okay, adjust by a controller here. Okay, the upper knob here is for you to adjust the paper feeding speed, and then the middle here is for you to adjust the main motor speed. And then okay, behind here is for you to adjust the rear okay, the conveyor belt speed. Okay, and it's also an emergency button. So okay, this is how you can control the folder glue machines is actually very easy and simple. And you can see, okay, that you can see this is a very small sizes, right, for you to fit the paper. But if say that you have a bigger paper, you have a bigger boxes you want to insert, yes, then you can everything, you can adjust accordingly. You can adjust everything here, okay, to move it, to move the belt, to make it to be suitable for your bigger boxes. So the maximum boxes of this machine can do is 800 mm open size. So okay, if you are interested, you can look for us, okay, and we are selling this machine to you. Okay, we are selling it to you from Malaysia. Okay, start from 40k. Start from 40k. It's a new machine, direct sales from our China company. And also this is also an emergency stock. This is how the paper will come out one by one. So if you are interested to see the productions, right, if you are interested to see how the products going, how it fold the boxes, okay, you can stay tuned for our live tomorrow, because in tomorrow live we will actually run this machine for you. We will run the products to let you see how it operates, so you can see. Okay, and also, okay, of course, other than the folder glue machines, now I will show you another machine. Now I will show you about the tape applicator. So, okay, this is a tape applicator assembly line. So what do we call as a tape applicator? I think that many of you, maybe you have never seen something like this before. So this is for you to apply the tape. You can see the white color tape here. Okay, it is a double-sided tape. So if say that you have some products, maybe it's a gift box, maybe it's some envelopes, okay, maybe it's some maybe something, okay, you want to apply the tape, but you don't want to tape by your worker, you want to tape by machine, then you can get our tape applicator. So you can see this is a assembly line machines, okay, with the tape applicator, also fully manufacturing and producing by us. So if you want to do any modify, or you want to do the assembly line, you want longer, shorter, you want any kind of machine, you can look for us, because we can customize and modify for you. So okay, this is what we call as the tape applicator. And remember, other than double-sided tape, if you have scotch tape, maybe a single-sided tape, maybe you want the envelope tape, you want tear tape, any kind of tape, you can use our tape applicator to do so. We have different models for different tape. And okay, you can see this machine has already equipped with 2 tape applicator. And then this is also the tape applicator controller. So okay, I will ask my technician now, okay, can show you, okay, about how to function this, okay, tape applicator. So this is the paper feeding part. You can see I've already fed some paper here, okay, I've already fed some paper here, and then I can turn on it, okay, and this is the touchscreen interface. Welcome our friend from Malaysia, and also welcome Pulau Adnam. Okay, Pulau Adnam, you want a demo, right? No problem, I will show you the demo now. Okay, so you can see when your product already run, and then the tape, okay, the tape shall be, okay, working, okay, to tape your products, okay. So okay, you can see this is how, okay, it will auto feeding, and everything you can just setting by the touchscreen interface here. So you can see you need to press the auto function, and then after you press the auto function, okay, you can, okay, press the start and then the end, okay, the start and then the ending point of the tape. And of course, remember, this machine you will need to okay, be connected with the air pump. Okay, so let's see how it works. This is how the product looks like. Okay, when you have your product, you want to tape something. Yes, this is how it looks like. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's see again. So when the product goes through, okay, you can see it's already taping. Okay, it's already taping the tape. So if you have some products like envelope or anything you want to tape, okay, then you can get this one. Okay, let's see from upper side. So you can see it's taping automatically. It's taping automatically. So you can see, okay, it's taping very nicely, and it's taping according to everything you have already setting by our controller. So okay, this is the effect. This is the effect of it, okay, and this is how it looks like, okay, when it's already taped up. So no matter what kind of tape you want to use, okay, maybe it's a double-sided tape, maybe it's a scotch tape, any kind of tape, you can use this machine to do for you. So let's talk about how to setting it. Okay, so the setting is you can, okay, do the starting and ending point. Hello, welcome our friend Strong Nguyen from Vietnam joining us. The machine you see here is what we call as a tape applicator for you to apply tape on your products. So okay, if say that you have your products, you want to tape some tape on it. You want to tape some tape on it, okay, and then you will need to get this machine to help you. So okay, you can see Okay, that's the starting and ending point for you to key in, for you to key in what size, okay, the tape you want to be applied on which area of your product. And then also, okay, you can see, okay, there's a ready main feed reel here. Okay, to let you control everything, and you can also control the speed by the touchscreen controller here. And this is the red color. This one is an emergency stop, and the small red color button is the red color big button is a motor power. Okay, it's for you to on, and then the small red color is an emergency stop. So everything, you can see the interface is actually very similar with our 𝐀𝐬𝐩𝐿 space system, 𝐷𝐚𝐻𝐿 space system. And then you can also see the first here, the 513 is a counter, okay, to count how many you have already taken. And then the speed here, okay, is for you to see the speed of the conveyor. So you can see again how this tape applicator works actually. Okay, you can see it's actually applying the tape, and you remember you need to connect it with the air pump. You need to connect with the air pump. So this is how you can set the air pressure, everything. Okay, and also, okay, you can also key in the paper length in the length here. So the paper length is total how many mm long. You can key in the length here. And then also you can also save the memory. You can do everything by the touchscreen controller here. So it's actually very easy, simple using machines. And if the assembly line you want it to be longer, you want the assembly line to have any modify, you can look for us because we can customize for you. And you can see this is the sensor. Welcome our friend from Mexico joining us today. You can see this is our sensor. So the sensor here is for you to see, okay, if you sense the product, and after it has already sensed the product, then you need to key in here. You need to key in the sensor. Okay, you can see the yellow buttons here is the sensor 600, which means that the sensor until the tape applicator is 600. Okay, it's 600 mm. So the sensor actually you can locate it in any position of the machine as long as it's before the tape applicator. So you can see the red color dots here, okay, is how the sensor works, okay. So you can put the sensor here, you can put the sensor here, okay, as long as it's before this tape applicator. And of course, okay, this is the assembly line machine. Welcome Veronica McDonald from United States joining us today. Okay, so okay, this is how the sensor works. And of course, if you say that in this assembly line machine you don't need a tape applicator, but you say that maybe you need a glue spray system, you can also look for us, okay, to get the glue spray system for you. Okay, because okay, this machine you can add on so many functions. Okay, so if you say that you want to save glue, then you can get the tape, because maybe you say glue is very expensive, but you want to glue something with tape. Yes, you can get from us. Welcome William Reyes, and also welcome Sister for Day, okay, to joining our live today. Okay, so this is a conveyor belt, this is an assembly line machine, and you can add on the tape application, the tape applicator from us, and you can also add on the glue spray system. So this is the sensor for the tape applicator, okay, and the glue spray system you can also choose either you want a hot melt glue spray system or even cold glue spray system. So as long as you are doing boxes, if you are doing packaging, if you are doing boxes like this one, and then or envelope or any kind of materials, as long as you want to apply glue and as long as you want to apply tape, then you can get our tape applicator, you can get our machines. Okay, let's see another angle of this machine. So you can see, okay, the machine is actually not very big, but if you want bigger sizes, if you want longer sizes, everything we can customize for you. And you can also see this one is a normal conveyor machine, conveyor belt machine. This is a normal assembly line machine, and this already bought by our customer for him to he has already installed the hot melt glue spray system here. So you say that you have your products, you want it to run, and then you want to apply some glue on it. Yes, you can also get the assembly line from us and to be installed with the glue spray system that fully manufacturing by us. So this is a conveyor, this is conveyor belt, this is assembly line. So our friends from Facebook or from Alibaba, okay, remember if you have any products you want to apply tape or glue or anything or any functions, you can look for us to also do the assembly line machines for you. As long as you can tell us your inquiry, we can customize, modify everything according to your needs. Okay, so this is the hot melt glue spray system already on it. Okay, and this is how it works. Okay, you can see, okay, it's actually working now. You can see everything you want, the speed. Hello, welcome Megan Ford from United States. Okay, you can see, okay, you can adjust the speed here. Okay, now the speed is 22. If you want bigger, if you want lower, everything you can adjust here. Okay, to adjust to let the conveyor belt to run faster or slower. So, okay, let's come back to this tape applicator. Okay, so you can see this is how the tape applicator works. Okay, and then, okay, if you apply the tape on your product, so this is the feeding part. After the feeding part, then this is the sensor. So the sensor, and then this is the tape applicator. Okay, and in this machine you can install maximum 4 tape applicator. 4 tape applicator you can install. So it's for you to apply tape. So the white color thing you see here is the tape. Okay, let's see the effect. So this is the effect. Okay, you can see this is already done. Okay, if you apply the tape for you automatically by machine, so means that you don't need your worker to help you tape anymore, because it will help you to tape it. Because it will help you to tape it. And then of course, okay, if your paper is bigger, okay, everything you can adjust. Okay, let's see, this is how the paper feeding. Okay, and then if you just apply the tape, so okay, you can get the tape applicator from us. And of course, remember, you need to use the controller here to control. So you need to touch the auto, and then this is how it works. Okay, this is how it works. You can see, okay, it's now running. Okay, it's working very nicely. It's working very good. So this is how you apply the tape, and you can apply like if you want a distance between, you want some distance between, everything we can just setting for you. So you can see this is how we can setting everything. Okay, and it will apply the tape for you. And also, okay, now I will also show you about our flatbed goods spraying machines. So okay, if you say that you already have a machine, or you say that you don't have a machine, then you can also get our goods spray system with the assembly line. Or if you say that you don't need an assembly line, you don't need a conveyor belt, you just need a machine like this, then you can get our goods spray machine. So this is our flatbed goods spraying machines. So okay, this machine is also fully manufacturing by us. It's fully made by us, and you can see everything you want to spray, any sizes, any circles, any shape. Okay, everything you can just setting by the machine here. So okay, if you have some maybe you have some products like boxes, like paper, like any kind of product you want to spray glue, as long as you want to apply glue, then you can get our flatbed glue spraying machines. And you can see this is the controller. So you can setting everything by the controller here for it to run accordingly. So you can see, okay, you can see now it is, okay, spraying the dots. Okay, this is how it's going to the dot sizes. And then, okay, now it's spraying the triangle shape. And now it's going to a circle shape. Okay, welcome Lucimo Martinez Valadez. Okay, joining us today. So the machine you see here now is a flatbed glue spraying machine for you to spray glue on any product. So remember, it doesn't matter what products you are using. As long as you want to spray glue, as long as you want to apply glue, you can get our machines. And if you want cold glue or hot glue or any kind of glue, we have different models suitable for different glue. So you can just consult us to know what glue you are using, and we have different models suitable for your glue. And then how do you adjust this machine? How do you setting everything? It's so simple, just by this controller. The shape you want, the speed you want, the size you want, everything just by the controller, then you can do it. So no matter what kind of products you are using, you can get it from us. So this is our flatbed glue spraying machines. And also, okay, remember our friends from Facebook and everything. Okay, introduce you again about the glue tape applicator machines to you. Okay, so this is our tape applicating machine. Okay, and this is the tape applicator. If you say that you have your own machine already, you just want to add on the tape applicating function, or you want to add on the glue spraying function, you can look for us. Because if you say you don't want the assembly line, you just want the function, you just want the small thing here, you just want the tape applicator here, yes, you can also look for us, because we will give it to you. We can also make it for you if you just want the function. And also, let's see more about all of the machines that we are selling. So other than the tape applicator, remember we are also selling you the flatbed glue spraying machines, and then the size, is 800 mm, 1200 mm, and also 1300 300 mm. And if you say that you want bigger sizes, or you say that you want maybe smaller sizes, or you want some any customized sizes, you can look for us, because we have many sizes for you, and we are manufacturer direct selling it to you as well. So you can look for us if you want any size of this machine. And remember, our friends, if you have any machine you want to see demo, if you have any machine you want me to show you and explain to you, please comment below. Please comment below so that I can know the inquiries and I can show you more about our machines. And also, now, okay, I will explain to you about our cold glue spray system. So you can see this is our cold glue spray system. And okay, if you say you have a folder glue machine already, then you want to spray the cold glue, then you can get our cold glue spray system. So you can see this is the controller interface, okay? And then you can see you can choose the manual and auto function, and you can also choose the spraying shape to be dots or line. So if you want to spray dots, you can look for us. You want to spray line, okay, this machine can do for you as well. And then you can also setting the starting point and ending point. You can also setting the point distance, point numbers, and even the dot size. You can see the green color dots here is for you to setting the dot sizes. If you want a smaller size, then you can choose the smaller green dots. And if you want bigger sizes, you can everything do by our touchscreen as well. And also you can see there's a counter here beside the first is the counter. There's a speed adjustment here to detect the speed of the machine, and the length here is for you to key in the product total length, and the pressure here you can also setting. And then remember, this cold glue spray system you can equip up to 8 controls and 8 spray guns. You can equip up to 8 controls, 8 connectors, and 8 spray guns. So how the spray gun looks like? So the spray guns, okay, will look like this. This is how the cold glue spray guns looks like, okay? It's suitable for you to equip with your folder glue machines or assembly line machines or any kind of machine, as long as you want to apply the cold glue. So okay, it doesn't matter what brand or what kind of machine you are using, as long as you want to apply cold glue, our system can do for you. Our machines can do for you. And then also, okay, you can see this is our hot melt glue spray system. So you say that your product is using cold glue, then you can get our cold glue spray system. But if you say that your product is using hot glue, hot melt glue, then you can use our hot melt glue spray system. So okay, this is our hot melt glue spray system for you to apply the hot melt glue. So okay, the hot melt glue spray system here, you can see this is the controller. It's also fully by touchscreen, and this is how you can put the glue inside here. And then okay, you can also choose the manual and auto function, and then you can also the interface is actually very similar like the cold glue spray system. Okay, the interface is actually very similar. Okay, you can choose the shape and line, and then okay, you can also choose the starting point, ending point, your point distance, point number, and everything. And also okay, you can see it say ready, pump can on, which means that okay, we have in this system we have 5 liters or 10 liters pump. So it's according to your needs. So if you say that you want a 5 liter pump, okay, you can choose the model of 5 liter pump. And if you want a 10 liter pump, you can also choose the model of 10 liter pump. And then okay, you can also setting the temperature, okay, here. So you can setting the temperature. So you want the pump to be heat your glue how many Celsius, how many degrees, and then you want the pipe to be how hot is it, or the gun to be how hot is it. Everything you can just setting accordingly by our hot melt glue spray system. So this is a very easy using system. And okay, the hot melt glue spray gun looks like this. This is how the hot melt glue spray gun looks like. So it's a little different with the cold glue spray gun you see. Okay, so if you're interested, remember look for us, okay, because this all the system and this all the controllers, everything is just fully manufacturing by us. Okay, everything is fully manufactured, fully developed, fully made by us. So we'll give you a very good price, and we are very professional in this area. So remember, if you are interested in our machine, if you are interested in our system, you can just look for us, because we'll quote you a very good price. And for the cold glue spray system, you can get up to 8 connectors and also 8 guns. And for the hot melt glue spray system, you can get 4 connectors and 4 guns maximum. So okay, it's different for hot glue and cold glue, but the controller is very similar, and then it's also suitable for you to equip on your folder glue machines or your any kind of machines. And also right now, okay, I will show you another machine, which is okay, I will show you about our die cut machines. So okay, this is our die cut machines, and this die cut machine, okay, the one you see here is a 750 mm die cut machines. So it's a minimum size of die cut machines. And then this die cut machine, okay, it's a new die cut machine, and we can see the controller here. So you can see the controller here. This is on and off, and then okay, you can choose the power, okay, and then you can also choose it continuously die cut or how, okay, and then everything. Okay, let's see the operation of the die cut machines. Okay, so I will let my technician now show you the operation of the die cut machines. Okay, so okay, this is a hand controller. When you have already press it, and then the die cut machine will just runs accordingly, and then the die cut machines will just die cut your products. So this is how the die cut machine works. Okay, and then you can see this is a 750 mm, so it's a minimum size. If you say you want a bigger sizes, if you say that you want maybe a 930 mm, 1100 mm, 1400 mm, or any bigger sizes, or even you want a recondition machine, you can look for us as well, because we are also selling it to you directly from China, and we have already 33 years in selling die cut machines. And okay, and all of the machines you see here is our fully manufacturing machines. So we will put you a very good price, and you are interested, you can just look for us to know more about our machines, to know more about the details. Okay, so the die cut machine is for you to cut the shape of the boxes. So you say that you have some boxes, you want to cut the shapes accordingly, you want to cut any kind of shapes and any kind of boxes you are doing, you can get our die cut machines to do for you. Okay, so now I will pass to my colleague to explain about more of our machines. So please stay tuned, okay, and share this out to your friends. Okay, hi everyone, welcome to our live. Okay, so right now as you guys can see, this is the die cut machine that my colleague just now briefed. Okay, so right now we will turn to our next product, which is our paper cutter computer system. I'm so sorry to let you guys see this. Okay, so this paper cutter computer system, yeah, what it can do. Okay, basically this paper cutter computer system, it is very suitable for any brands of paper cutter. So no matter today you are from what your paper cutter, they are Wallenberg, they are Heidelberg, they are GDO, they are Nagai, they are Polar, or they are Ito, okay, whatever brand it is, okay, or it is from China, also applicable, okay, also able to pair with it. Why? Because today our paper cutter computer system, it is in a very smart control, and it is a very smart detective system. Alright, so if let's say you guys are interested with our product, and you are interested with this paper cutter computer system, okay, or maybe like you think that actually I like this paper cutter, but I want to make it more durable. Alright, can, no problem, it also can be applicable as well. So as you can see over here, the group over here is 150. So the maximum group memory is 150 groups. So no matter today how many products you will have to do, alright, I can assure that this is very more than enough for you guys, okay, and because each group, they can contain 112 steps, so which means even though today you want to cut A3 size paper of name card cutter, name card into such as like A2 or the different sizes, also applicable. Alright, and you guys can see, look over here, the C is means for the blower function, and the T is means for the pushing functions. So it's actually able to control each type of blowing and also cut function. It's very friendly, and although today your hello, welcome our newcomer from Malaysia. Welcome to our live stream. Thank you so much for supporting us. So basically we are Foshan Nanto, and let's say today you like our live stream, please give us a like, share and comment. And if let's say you are interested with our content, you are really interested with our product, you may also click the upper corner left button to follow up us. Alright, okay, as you can see over here, and this system, it has actual and manual blower as well. So basically before you want to operate it, you may just straight away install all the sizes that you want to cut over here, and then only you do the cutting. Alright, so the back gauge also can be controlled by this paper cutter computer system. And let's say today you are in other area, maybe you are in Switzerland, you are in other area as well, okay, you may also ask us to post it to you, and we will provide a tutorial video and also the warranty and also after sales service to you as well. Okay, other than this, we also sell our very own manufacturer product, which is our flat black glue spray machine. So this is not only glue spray. If let's say today you want to find engraving machine, or you want to find laser cut machine. Hello, Bikas Chandra Saha from India. Welcome to our live stream. Thank you so much for supporting us as well. Alright, so right now I'm sharing about this flat black glue spray machine. It is our very own manufacturer product. So it is really different with normal glue spray. As normal glue spray only can spray line, but ours can spray straight, as you can see. Right now it is spraying in a brown shape. So it is very friendly, and the control panel over here, it is able to adapt with the USB. It is able to adapt with the pen drive. So, which means what? Which means even though today your file is AI, CAT, CDT, also able to be supported. Okay, also able to be supported. So it's very, very friendly. And you guys can look over here. The nozzle over here comes with an infrared light, so it can spray very precisely without without any error. Okay, other than this, right, you can look over here. This is a control panel that we will give you once you purchase with us. Okay, so this control panel, the run name is actually means to the file name, and the run state is actually means to this. Okay, so when it run, it will appear with run. So when it stop, it will appear with stop. Okay, so it is very, very friendly. Other than this, okay, the run mode is also auto. The run mode is also auto. And as you guys can see over here, the run number is actually means to how many it's already runs. Okay, such as like today, it already run 3,439 plus product. So it is really affecting, okay, and it is able to auto calculate. So how many your order be done, it will auto appear over here. So other than this, the run speed also can be adjusted. As right now we are running in a 40%, okay, in a 40% speed. So let's say today you want to increase the speed, you want to make it more faster, you want to make it more efficiency, can, no problem. Also able to be adjusted over here. Alright, so if let's say today you found out, the sizes that I wanted, okay, is a bit not that accuracy, or maybe not that what you want, okay, no problem, it is able to change as well. Hello, our newcomer from China as well. Welcome to our live stream. Thank you so much for being so supportive. Okay, so you like our live, you like our live, or you are interested with our content, please send us a like, share, and comment, or you are able to click on the upper corner left button to follow us as well. Thank you so much. Hello, our newcomer. Okay, welcome to our live stream as well. So right now I'm showing you guys, I'm sharing about this flat black glue spray machine. So this flat black glue spray machine, hello Kabul from Saudi Arabic as well. Welcome to our live stream. We like you so much, and thank you so much. We appreciate your supporting, and you like our live stream, please give us a like, okay, a deep like, so as an encouragement to us. Okay, alright, so as you guys can see over here, so this is the machine, how it looks. Okay, it will look like this, and you guys can look over here. The control panel is already give for you. Okay, it's already paired with it already, and we will also give you a foot pedal, as you can choose you want auto mode or manual mode. So manual mode, you have to click one by one with this pedal, but let's say today you are using auto mode, it will run itself. Okay, it will run itself. Yeah. Okay, hello, our newcomer. Hello, welcome to our live stream. Feel free to follow us by clicking the upper corner left button. Alright, so right now I will talking about this. Okay, so this is a tape applicator platform. So this tape applicator platform, I personally like it very well. Why? Because today it is auto feeding, which means what? Which means you have no need any more person worker, labor worker to help out you to feed in anymore. Okay. Other than this conveyor belt, this conveyor belt is very, very smooth. It can run very, very smooth, as you guys can see. Right now we will show you how it shows with the auto feeding parts. Okay, so as you guys can see, right now we start already. Wow, it is very, very smooth. The running speed and all the spraying glue is all very, very speed. So it is very, very friendly. No matter today, what are you looking? Okay, today, if let's say you are doing for envelope sticking machine, or you are looking for this, as you can see, double-sided tape also can stick very, very strong adhesion. So it is very, very friendly. So today, if let's say you are looking for this kind of machine that able to tape double-sided tape, scotch tape, envelope tape, then you can find us
number one machine or 𝐹𝐴 So we have two companies based in different area. First one is in our HQ, which is our very main headquarters in China, 𝐹𝐴 Guangdong. Okay, and another one which is located in Malaysia, which is Selangor area. Okay, so let's say today you guys are interested, you may also come over our company to have a look as well. Okay, so one more I have to additionally details elaborate about it is this machine, this platform, it is able to equip with the cold glue system and also hot melt glue system. So no matter today you are looking for hot glue or cold glue, or you actually your product is more suitable for jelly glue, also can find us. Alright, also can find us. Hello, welcome Lucky. Welcome to our live stream. So cute name. Alright, so right now I will show you guys once again. So today, right now, I will show you how it spread the glue. Okay, so it spread the glue like this. Very, very nice. Okay, come, let us show you. Wow, the glue. Okay, so this is the tape and this is the glue. Okay, so this is the tape, this is the glue. So even though today you want it to spray with the glue, also can. Okay, even though you want to spray it with the glue, also can. So as you guys can see over here. So yes, it's in a line, very, very straight line. So let's say you guys are looking for this kind of machine, okay, which is able to equip with hot glue system, cold glue system, or maybe able to equip with tape applicator, or tools also can be equipped together, can be run together. Then you can find our product, okay, as this one is able to customization as well. So wow, welcome, thank you so much for the like. Whoever who like our live, okay, we like you so much. Okay, so right now it's spraying in line, so you can spray dot, you can spray line. It is very, very functionable. So we can also tape for you, we can also spray dot, we can also spray line. So it's according to your own production needs. Okay, so yes, what you want, one line, two line also can. It's actually according to your own needs as well. Okay, yes, all right. If let's say today you want one side is line, one side is dot, also can. Yeah, also can. All right, so you can look over here. Yes, if let's say you want creasing line, also can. Two side lane. Wow, two side line also can. All right, so basically with what the meaning is, if let's say today you want to do customization, this product also welcome for customization. All right, so don't hesitate to send us your order, so tell us what you need. All right, so as you look at, you can look over here, this tape applicator platform, it is able to maximally equip with 4 tape applicator, and other than this, it will be having a control panel, a smart touchscreen control panel is equipped with for you, and other than this, it will be having a manual controller over for you as well. This one, okay, we will show you the system how it looks. Okay, so the red color, this red color is means to emergency stop. This green color is means to start. Okay, this green color is means to start. All right, so the up is actually means to auto feeding, down is actually means to slow feeding. Wait a minute. So this one, okay, the below third one, the third row is actually means to the speed. You want faster or slower? It's yeah, this one is slower and another one is faster. Yeah, okay, so let's say you guys are looking for this kind of machine, you guys can find us 𝐹𝐴 Nantong or also number one machine. All right, and can look over here. So this is, you can spray both also line. Okay, you can also spray both also line. All right, so this one, you if you want to spray both, you want to spray one dot, one line also can, and let's say you want to spray one two also dot, both also dot also can. It's according to your own production needs. Okay, as you guys can see, the strong attention is very strong. Okay, the attention is also very, very strong, and the product is very, very nice. So let's say today you want to save your glue cost, you may choose dot, and let's say today you are looking for strong attention, you may look for you may also look for such as like the line. Okay, so I would personally recommend you guys to go for line, as it is able to go for more attention, strong attention. So let's say today you guys are looking for saving glue cost. All right, you are prioritizing to save your glue cost, then you can also choose dot. All right, hello Muhammad Talha. Right now I'm sharing our very own manufacturer product, which is our tape applicator platform. So this is in auto feeding. The conveyor belt able to adjust as well. Alright, and the glue, okay, the glue before it's spraying glue, it actually comes with an infrared light, as you guys can see. It's according to the temperature, the light, okay, the light, the UV ray to adjust how it looks, okay. So as you guys can see over here, so we have also come with a nozzle gun, and also here. Okay, this is a tape applicator which is able to equip with scotch tape, envelope tape, double-sided tape, single-side tape, also can. Alright, it's according to your own needs. Alright, it's actually according to your own needs, and you guys can look over here. So basically, the conveyor belt that we use and also the conveyor plates that we use is also all very premium quality. They are all in a very good conditions, okay? And I can tell you guys, this is in new condition. They are not reconditions or they are not used, okay, which means they are very first hand. And let's say today you guys are looking for personal customization, as you are or maybe like you have a very big project and you need it, okay, so you can also find us. Alright, the program and also all the equipment we can also provide to you, as we are the supplier and also we are the inventor. Alright, so other than that, okay, we are also providing you after sales service and also tutorial and also training service, and also lastly the most important, warranty. For this machine, the warranty will be 1 year, and the after sales service would be giving you the tutorial video and also included the training fee as well. There are no charges, it's included in the fees as already. Okay, other than this, what we will also send you, we will also send you technical support whenever you meet any problem. Okay, whenever you need any problem, so as you guys can look over here, so this is the control panel of this machine, of this tape applicator platform. So as you look and see over here, the starting point is 20, so the ending point is 70, right? So it can spread 50 mm of the glue. Alright, so it's actually within the gaps. Okay, it's actually within the gaps. So if you look over here, it can also auto calculate how many already done, how many already sprayed, how many already taped, and the speed and also the length. The length is actually referring to the product length. Okay, so it's very friendly to newbie. No matter today your worker, okay, they are no matter from Pakistan or Switzerland or India or Saudi Arabic, okay, they don't know how to look Chinese. Alright, no problem, we can also choose English for you. Okay, so all the sizes, they are in mm, they are not in inch, so you guys have no worries. Other than this, right, okay, you guys must be asking what is the main speed, rear speed, and also feed. The feed is actually according to this, okay, and the main speed is actually according to a conveyor speed, and the rear speed is actually according to the whole thing, okay, which is over here, the external, okay, parts speed. Alright, so over here the sensor is what? The sensor is actually recording, is actually attaching with this. Yeah, alright. So it's very human humanity. Okay, other than this, right, I can tell you guys the ingredients that we use to make this machine, they are all in a very premium, as you guys can look over here. Okay, they are all very solid and they are very durable. So you guys have no worries that, oh, I worry that the spare parts will be broken, or the spare parts is easily to broke, or they are not durable at all. Okay, no worry. Even as it is already broken, already damaged, you can also find us for changing within the warranty period. But after warranty period, you can also purchase from us as well. Okay, so you guys have no worries, yeah. So whoever are interested, you can also knock or direct message in our back end, so we will also send you all the details about this machine. So you guys must also curious about, okay, is this product able to equip with the folder gluer machine, which is this one? Yes, it is able to equip with it as well. Okay, so this is a folder gluer that our very own manufacturer machine as well. So this folder gluer, okay, it is able to do lock bottom, okay, or fold fold, which is today, if let's say today you are looking, you don't want manual worker to fold for you, you want the machine to fold for you, it is more efficient. Okay, no problem, we are also able to add this function to you as well. Alright, so other than this, okay, it is also auto fit. As you look over here, it is auto fit, so it is really hands free for no matter today, if let's say today you are such as a many labor worker, okay, it is also very hands free, so your labor worker, you can place them in a very more specific area. area as well, a very more specific workplace. Okay, so other than this, with this machine, this folder gluer, it is not only can do normal rectangle box or square box, it is also able to do popcorn box, french fries box, no matter what kind of box also can do. Alright, other than this, the most special parts of this of our very own folder gluer is you are able to equip with the cold glue system or the hot glue system as well. The auto refill gluer also able to equip with it. Okay, so it will not it is able to additionally help you to equip with it. And if let's say today you want a barcode reader or a camera on it, or I can also help you to add in it. Alright, hello Suraj, Koda, Paras, welcome to our live stream. Thank you so much for supporting us. We like you so much. And if let's say you are interested with our content, you may click the upper corner left button, or you may also like, share and comment. Thank you so much. So right now I'm introducing you, I'm sharing about this folder gluer, which is our very own manufacturer product. So you can look over here, all the parts, okay, you can look over here, it is auto fit. Okay, it is auto fit, and over here it is able to adjust. Okay, you want it how long according to your own needs. Okay, according to your production needs. Okay, other than this, it is auto fit. It can auto pass through everything. Alright, it is also with lock bottom. Okay, it is also with lock bottom. So let's say today you want to additionally add on all these kind of functions, which is lock bottom, folding, or such as like you want it to add with the maybe like spraying glue, or you want it to maybe like add with the tape applicator, also can be equipped with it. Alright, and the price is not high. The price also not high. And our folder gluer, right, it is having many kinds of weight sizes. You want 380, or you want 800, or you want 1100 mm also got. It's according to your own needs. Alright, according to your own needs. Yeah. So whoever are interested, you can find us for Shan Nanchong or number 1 machine for purchase or for more details. Alright. So you guys must be asking, okay, if let's say today my product is just very small sizes, okay, or maybe like you my product is actually not square but it's in round shape. Okay, no problem, we can also help you to do customization, as this product is our very own invention. Alright, so you have no worries about this. And other than that, we will also send you after sales service and also warranty. But this folder gluer, the warranty will be 1 year, and the after sales service will be, we will be sending you the tutorial video and also the after the technical support in within 24 hours for you guys. Alright, the tutorial video will be based on such as like how to use it, if let's say you are facing this kind of issue, how to solve it. Alright, so all this will be provided to you guys. Okay, so other than this, you guys must be asking, actually I'm not interested with packaging. Actually I'm involving in the industry of offset printing. Do you guys have offset printing machine? Yes, we also do sell. We do sell such as like this kind of small laminating machine, 400 mm laminating machine, which is able to do cold and hot lamination. Or maybe you are also searching such as like paper cutter. We also sell. We sell small paper cutter such as like 450 paper cutter, which is in auto or manual function. We are also selling such as like a very big paper cutter, such as like maybe like 920, 660, 670, 500, or maybe like 800, 850, 880. Okay, we also sell. No matter you want to find Recon, or you want to find Polar, or you want to find maybe like new paper cutter, but it is China brand because it's more not that pricey, it is more cheaper. Alright, then you can also find us as well. Okay, we are able to provide to you guys. Alright, so you guys have no worries. So other than this, okay, what's the difference? You guys must be noticed about this and this. Okay, what's the difference of within two of these? Okay, so basically this is not a tape applicator, but this is an assembly line. This is an assembly line. So this assembly line, it is different with the tape applicator, that it is manual feeding. It is not auto feeding. So let's say today you are looking for manual feeding, as it is not that pricey, right? You can find us, okay? You can find us. Hello, Matthias Nevers. Okay, welcome to our live stream. Alright, as you guys can see over here, so right now I'm sharing about our very own manufacturer product, which is the assembly line. So this assembly line, it is very friendly. Okay, but a bit not that perfect. It have to use labor worker hands to fit it. Okay, so let's say today you guys already get an order about TuneTalk SIM card, or maybe like a U-Mobile SIM card, DG SIM card, or maybe like any other brands of paper SIM card. Okay, you can also use this machine to make it. You can also use this machine to finish the order. Alright, so it is very friendly. And as you guys can look over here, okay, double side of it, okay, both sides of it also have a nozzle, So this nozzle, which means what? Which means it's actually able to equip with the glue spray system. And you can look over here, the deliver tube also is already given. Okay, so if today you guys are looking for both sides also can spray glue, and in a very good functions, and it is in new assembly line, okay, you may find us. Alright, because our price is our very first hand price, so the price will be not that high. And other than this, okay, the price is actually quite below market retail price. So let's say you guys are looking for a reasonable price of machines, and also trustable supplier, reliable supplier, you can find us Foshan Nanchong or number one machine. Alright, so right now I will talk about our very own product, which is the glue spray system and also the hot glue spray system. Alright, the cold glue spray system, as you can look over here, this cold glue spray system, it is very friendly. So it can change two languages. It is having two languages, which is Chinese and English. Alright, so hello visitors, RS, welcome to our live stream. Thank you so much. You are from Russia, I guess so. Thank you so much for supporting us. Okay, so as you guys can look over here, so it has two languages for you to choose. So no matter today your worker, they are Chinese, or they are actually Indian, they are actually maybe from Switzerland, they are Russian, okay, no problem, we can also provide the language for you. Alright, so back to it. Okay, there you can notice here there is a manual and auto. Actually the manual is means to clean up, the auto is means to operating. Okay, the shape you can also choose. You want to choose dot, you want to choose line, also according to your own production needs. Alright, according to your own production needs. At the start and ending point is also given for you. Alright, the point is point dot, point end is point line. The size of the thickness spraying also able to be adjusted. As you can look over here, there are 4 options of sizes you can choose. Okay, so right now this is how it's sprayed. Okay, so you can see over here, you can look over here, this is how it's sprayed. Okay, it can spray very straight, very accuracy. So this is cold glue. This is what the cold glue spray system can spray. Alright, it is in very straight and it is very nice. So this size is a smaller size. Okay, and let's say today you want to spray the most bigger size, also can choose it. Okay, also can choose it. And this control panel, they are also in touch screen as well. So it is very high tech, very smart. Alright, so as you can look over here, it is very good. Okay, so if let's say today you want it to equip with the tape applicator that you are interested, or you want to equip with the cold folder gluer, or you want to equip with the assembly line, also applicable. Alright, so as you guys can see over here, it is also having an auto calculator. The speed also will be adjusted over here. The length is actually referring to the product's length, and also the pressure you want it to be how much also can be adjusted over here. So it is very friendly, a very suitable product for newbie or old or our very experienced technician as well. Okay, so other than this, so right now we will show you how to equip with it. So you can see, okay, there is a compressor with it. Alright, and right now there is also a glue bucket for it. Okay, so right now we will show you one last time of this tape applicator, what it can do. So right now it's already auto fit. Okay, so the spray okay, you can look over here. Wow, very nice. Alright, so one more time. Okay, one more time for spraying. Yeah, okay, so we right now put off the nozzle gun's cover. So right now we will already fit one more. Okay, so it has the infrared light. Okay, it comes with a nozzle gun, and then it also have a tap applicator. So right now we are spraying in a very big size. Wow, it is very nice. The product is very accuracy, and you can look over here. The strong adhesion is very strong as well. Okay, so if let's say today what kind of glue you want to use, jelly glue, you want to use those hot melt glue, okay, or you want to use cold glue, also can. As you can see right now, we are actually want to separating. Okay, want to separate the paper. Okay, as you can see, wow, very strong adhesion. So it is very friendly. So no matter today you guys are looking for this kind of machines, you can find us for Shan Nanchong. Okay, you can find us for Shan Nanchong. Yeah. So I thank you guys so much. Alright. So other than this, we are also selling other spare parts, as you guys can look over here. So we are not only selling such as like machines, but we also sell such as like spare parts. Okay, as you can look over here, we also sell such as like the belt, alright, the ink shovel, and also such as like the PU tube, and also such as like the rope, and also such as like the stitching wire. We are also selling. Not only this, okay, let's say today you want to look for the cutter, the paper cutter blade, the cutting sticks, we also sell. Alright, so if let's say today you want to find such as packaging machines, or you want to find offset printing machines, or you want to find spare parts and equipment or accessories, you may also find us for Shan Nanchong or number 1 machine. So we have already almost 40 years of experience in China, so we are very experienced and very trustable. So let's say today you are looking for a supplier which is sustainable, you may also find us as well. We are very happy to help out you. Okay, so other than this, if let's say today you guys want to look for customization products, such as you want to look for laser cut, you want to look for engraving, you want to look for such as a drilling machine, or this and that, alright, no matter what it is, alright, okay, you can also find us. We also have selling it. Okay, we also have selling it as long as it is related in the packaging industry field, or it is related with the offset printing field. Okay, so our live is going to end today. So if let's say you guys have any questions to ask, you can feel free to ask right now. Okay, as our live will be going to end in 20 seconds more. Alright, so 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Our life will be going to end. Anyway, thank you guys for supporting us so well. So don't forget us. We for Shan Nanchong, we will be having every day. We will be having live stream on every day 12 p.m. till 1 p.m. And you guys, if you are interested, you may also click the upper corner left button to follow us, and you may also share it to your friends, share it to your boss, share it to your colleague that they are working in this industry field. Alright, anyway, thank you so much for supporting us. We like you guys so much, and we appreciate